There is something common between you and me. We all want to grow in our lives, isn't it? I remember when I was studying in school and college and learning mathematics, statistics. We were learning theories, examples, etc., but never thought how to apply practically in real world. So, keeping this in mind, I have taken an initiative. Whatever I have learned, all those concepts which has been used in data science and machine learning extensively, I'll share with you. Hello guys, my name is Gunjan Varde and I am going to share with you the concept of linear algebra which we have learned during school and college. Linear algebra. Why we are discussing it? Let's get into it. Let's assume we have two features f1 and f2. That means our dataset is in 2D. Here we have two classes. To separate these data points, that means the classes, we can draw a line. One side of line we have one class and the other side of line we have another class of data points. Suppose we have three features, that means we have 3D data set. We can draw a plane to separate the class. It's a linear surface to separate the classes. The same concept we can implement for higher dimensions like 4D, 5D, etc. to generalize our understanding. This is the beauty of linear algebra. In the next video, we are going to discuss on vectors. Thank you.